my kids every single day, Ritesh, my partner at work, and all the talent.
In inviting the wickedly witty, cool, clever box office bombshell, who of course has a new category for herself as well, the 400 Crore Club. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Farah Khan to come up and please give away this award.
And the award for the best actor goes to, how do I introduce him? My cousin Farhan Akhtar.
Which is your better profile, Farah? What
Left.
do you want? Oh.
But I can't sit, it makes me look... Karan will agree, it makes me look fatter. You can sit.
I'm happy to stand if you're standing.
Bhaiya.
Behna.
Chalo.
Okay then.
You have to make a speech. I've been told to ask some very serious questions.
I thought you were going to ask me some questions.
Some very serious questions I have to ask you, Faru.
Okay. So should I just first say a couple round of thanks? Okay. Wow. Thank you very much to Vogue, of course, for recognizing all the work that I've been doing over the last 14 years. It really wasn't possible without the support, help, encouragement of many people, of course, starting with my parents, with Aduna, who's sitting right here, my kids every single day, Ritesh, my partner at work, and all the talent and crew that I've worked with over the years. None of it was possible without them, so I share this with all of them. I guess all of us individually, in film especially, it's such a collaborative art that it's very difficult to say that this award truly belongs to me. It belongs to everyone who's collaborated to make these films possible, so I accept it really on behalf of all of them. Thank you very, very much.
Now to ask the really serious questions.
Yes, go ahead. But first I must tell you, we went there and nobody took a single photograph.
Yeah, except Aduna, who's clicking a picture on her phone.
Okay, great. Yes, say.
So, Farhan, you come from a very filmy family.
What does that mean?
Which you didn't know because we were all small then.
Yeah.
You didn't know we'll grow up and become filmy.
That's true, actually.
But this is a question over here. What has been your earliest memory of films?
My earliest memory of films, in terms of movies, apart from children's films, you know, that I think everyone watches, one of my earliest memories...
Are you calling my films children's films?
But why would your film be my earliest memory of a film? Huh. I see. My earliest memory of a film actually was watching Bombay to Goa. Was my earliest memory of a film. I think we went and watched it at a preview theatre called Sumit. And I just remember being completely mesmerized by seeing just all that going on that big screen. So Bombay to Goa, I think, is the first memory.
Farhan, you've made some fantastic movies and you've acted. Is it true that the film that truly inspired you in your childhood was a movie called Kranti by Manoj Kumar?
I love that film. I used to wake up. I was probably one of the few children who woke up before their required wake-up time to go to school. So if the alarm went off at 7, I'd probably be up by 6. So
watching Kranti, we are witness
get up,
to it.
get ready, quickly get into my uniform and sit and watch maybe an hour of Kranti before I left for school.
And is that what inspired Dil Chahta Hai? Kranti.
Well, to a certain extent it was. It was a Kranti against the cinema that was going on at that point. So I guess it was rather inspirational.
And you have done so many things. You're a singer, you're an actor, you're now a UN ambassador, producer, director, writer. Did you ever think there will be a time when you will get an award from me?
Farah, no matter what I do in my life, this is something that I could not have expected.
So is it time to do the puppet dance?
It's time to do.
I actually want Farhan to tell you all about his earliest inspiration, which was Madame Fifi.
I can't say it. I leave that to Zoya and Farah, who have made it a point that no matter where they go, they will make me awkward and embarrass me with this story.
Madame Fifi is
I was a child.
Farhan's alter
I didn't know
ego.
any better.
We used to dress him up in Zoya's dress, like a frock with heels and a hat, and put lipstick on him, and then he would wear long pearls of his mother, and he would come walking like this and say, "Hi, I'm Madame Fifi."
And dance to Ye Mera Dil Pyar Ka Deewana.
Do you want to do that now?
No.
Sure?
No. That stopped suddenly one day when Dad walked into the room.
Yeah, his father was quite horrified.
My career of being a top-billed actress.
You remember the step you used to do on the door? Dun, 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 dun. I think today is the right moment to do it.
Which one?
That step of Helen.
No.
Okay, then shall we do the puppet dance for everyone?
If you want me to.
There was also a puppet dance that Farhan and me had invented. I think we shall give you one little jhalak of it.
Absolutely.
Of the puppet dance.
I think
quite spoil it for all other award winners.
Yeah, they'd like to move on, I think, Farah.
Okay, so no puppet dance, Karan?
We'll just puppet dance our way out of stage.
Okay, then take your award.
Come on, you got to do the puppet dance, Farhan.
It's kind of like a Dev Saab step that we can do.
Karan, what will you do when you get your award?
That's
nice. Shall we do the puppet?
What are you doing?
She's doing the puppet dance. Do you need like music? Guys, can we have some music for this puppet dance? Oh, really?
What is this puppet dance, Farah? What is this puppet dance? Can anybody explain to me what this puppet dance is?
Puppet dance. So, no puppet dance for y'all.
No.
So let's just go.
Please, should I leave this here?
Absolutely. Well, thank you very much, Farah, and congratulations, Farhan, and thanks for the little puppet dance that you showed us too.